Enforcement is the difference between law and reality. Without enforcement, pollution becomes rational. With enforcement, compliance becomes rational. Let me tell you why. Environmental enforcement in Nigeria usually fails, but when it works, the results are immediate. That tells us something critical. Nigeria can enforce, it just chooses not to do so consistently. Let's go back a bit. Before the big agencies, communities enforced their own standards through informal power. Market unions, elders, and street leaders held the line. They could stop bad behavior with a single word. We lost much of that social fabric. But here's the tragedy. The state never replaced it with strong formal enforcement. The environment fell into a vacuum. And in a vacuum, the loudest and the dirtiest win. When enforcement actually succeeds today, it isn't luck. It's because 3 ingredients aligned. Number 1, speed. Quick inspections, immediate sanctions, instant action. Delay is the enemy of justice. Number 2, real cost. The penalty must outweigh the profit. If the fine is cheaper than the fix, the fine is just a tax on doing business. Number 3, visibility. Public updates and community reporting. People need to see the law working. Align these 3 and behavior shifts overnight. Dumping slows, factories pivot, illegal operations vanish. So why does this work? It's simple math. From the cause to the effect chain. When one violator is punished publicly, everyone else recalculates their risk. When risk rises, harm drops. When harm drops, the community finally breathes again. This isn't about being nice or moral. It is about human behavior under pressure. Now, for the parts people don't want to hear. Enforcement fails because agencies are starved of staff and gear. It fails because politics protects the polluter. But mostly, it fails because somebody steps in for somebody. The moment the law becomes negotiable, it becomes useless. To scale this, we need 3 non-negotiable reforms. Number 1, fund the front lines. Give them the labs, the vehicles, and the monitoring tools to do the job. Number 2, insulate the agencies. Grant them political independence. Interference must have consequences. And number 3, open the windows. Build public dashboards and hotlines that actually work. Put the power of oversight in the hands of citizens. When enforcement becomes predictable, compliance becomes the new normal. So let me hear from you. Where have you seen enforcement actually work in Nigeria? Even if just for a day, what changed the moment the law showed up? Let's meet in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.